Friends, welcome again. So we have seen how we transfer the points in the front view when we have a triangular hole with the axis coinciding with the axis of the main solid. So to get the profile over the development, so we need to get the profile by connecting these points on the front view first, and then we will transfer the points as well as the profile onto the development. So let us see how we proceed. So we start with the OA edge. So the point on the OA edge is here. So we start with that node. You see we start with this node. So switch off the ortho. Then we had this point on OB. Then we have this point on OC. After that we had the point on the rear face OCD, slant face OCD. So the point was hidden. So this part, a part of the profile connecting this point will also be hidden. Then it comes back to the point on OD, which is this point. So we go to this point. So this particular line, part of it will be hidden, part of it may become visible. So we will talk about it as we trim the rest of the portions. So trim the portions which have been removed by the hole. So this is the way we complete it. So we know here, so the apex is cut. So it is cut with these edges. So we will remove them, and you know that even this is the front portion, so this will even cut this slant edge as the way it is done here. We know. So these are the portions, these are the edges, which are on these back faces. So their colors we can change to red color. Now we note that this is the profile on the front faces. So these are the red ones are on the back faces, but again you note the point D is higher. So the point on OD edge is higher. That again becomes visible because the height of the solid for the front edge OB that has reduced. So this part will be visible. What we do, we will now trim in between these edges. So this profile we trim, and we now make it as visible. So line from the intersection here up to the node here, and then again up to the intersection here, that is visible. So this is exactly how the profile will look like, and the general convention is we represent the visible profile with the yellow color. So that thing we will represent here. So this is how the profile of the hole on the solid will look like in front view and in the top view. We have to transfer these points onto the development. So what we do, we already know that O dash, A dash and OA on the development, they are exactly same. So we simply transfer the point from here with the ortho on, and we get the point on OA. point as the intersection here. So this same point will be marked on OB. So for that we draw the arc with center at O. We locate O to the end point of the line, and here we locate it to node and ortho off, and we locate the point here. We mark this point even on OA on the other side. Now this particular point is also there on C. Okay, so OC, even though it is not the same edge, but it is symmetrically located. So point will be located on OC also. So that is what I have done. I have located that point also. So other point to be transferred on the development was on OB. So for that, the OB is front edge, and on that, in the similar way, we transfer the line. So line from this node and ortho on, we transfer it onto OA, and then draw the arc using center at O, or with the center point method with center at O, the starting point at the intersection here, and ortho off. So we have to transfer it up to B. So that is how we locate the required profile point on OB also. What about now different points have been located on OD. Again, the point will be located like this. F8 will be done. So this is located first on OA, and then again the arc is drawn with center point method and center at intersection here, starting point here, and ortho off. So we locate it on OD. So that is how the point is located on OD. So the other thing is the point on OCD. So for that, so we again will need the line passing through this, and we have to locate it on DC. So on DC, from C, how much distance it is, so we can measure. So that much distance we can mark here. So we use lim command, aligned option. So from point C we start and we go up to this point. We note that it is how much distance, 0.5175 or 76. So 0.5176. From C we have to draw a circle from here, and how much, 0.5176. so that is how we locate the slant edge on OCD. So the imaginary slant edge which was there on OCD, so we locate it here on the development also, and we note that its height was transferred with the line parallel to the base. So same thing we will need to continue. So we transfer it, F8 we do, so we transfer first onto OA, and from there we will transfer it to OC,